Okay, so I'm going to explain in this video how to create an AI-powered list reactivation. Let's do this. So I'm going to click on the left bar in my sub account. I go to automation and I can either create a new workflow, select a recipe, or start from scratch. In this case, I selected a recipe and I'm going to let you know why I did so you can do the same thing. I selected this one, list reactivation, and it got me this recipe list reactivation workflows, which I'm showing you right now. And this is how this workflow starts. So the first step in this workflow, by the way, the goal of this workflow is that we can do an voice AI powered database reactivation. The first step in this workflow is there is a tag, there is a contact tag. The tag added is freebie. In this case, doesn't matter. You can put whatever tag. You can also put no tag and just add the context manually to the workflow. Then the first SMS is your offer. It doesn't matter what it is, but it needs to be an offer for your market. In this case, this workflow is designed for dentists. So it says, I've got free teeth whitening vouchers. Would you be interested in one? Then there is a wait until reply. Wait for contact reply, timeout 60 minutes, reply to this first SMS. Then there is an if else. So did they reply within an hour? If the contact reply is true, so if the contact reply is true, it's going to go to this branch. And then if it's positive, it's going to go to this SMS over here. If it's negative, it's going to go to the none. So it says, hey, I've got a voucher with your name to redeem, call us here. If it's a none, it just says, no worries. Now, if they do not reply, we do a second attempt, and then there's another wait for reply to the second attempt. And if it's positive, also we should say, instead of to redeem, click here to book, say call here to book. Call us. Now let's proceed to testing this. Okay, I want to send a test and I'm going to show you how this would work. So I'm going to test the workflow with the previous phone number I also use for my other tests. I'm going to click on run test. If you don't have a contact to test, create one and test. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go back to our SMS, to our messages. And if we see here in our messages, we got this. So we need to reply positively to see. I'm going to reply with a yes. And you're going to see what's going to happen. I replied with a yes. Okay, to redeem, call us. So here's what we need to do. We need to call us. In this case, is this phone number. So I'm going to proceed. So the last step in this case would be calling the phone number, which is here. So I'm just going to call and show you that the voice AI would pick. Hey, this is Christian. How are you doing today?
Hey, Christian. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? Anything I can assist you with today?
Hey, I was just testing, so thank you very much. That's it.
No worries, Christian. If you ever need anything, just give us a shout. Have a great day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
You're welcome, Christian. Goodbye and take care.